Guess what time it is?
It's cruise time.
If you're new here, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Bob.
We just got to the New York Cruise Terminal.
Pier 90.
It's a little bit windy. It took us, how long to get?
25 minutes.
Yeah, just expect traffic.
Yeah.
You know, if you're coming from Manhattan or anywhere else
It's
in
a
the
very
city.
zigzaggy way to get here.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of traffic, and these drivers, man, they just take chances like crazy.
They do. So we just took a lift. They dropped us off. A guy immediately came up and collected our luggage.
Right.
And here we are.
Here we are.
Here's a beautiful, brilliant lady behind us. There she is, right there in all her
Gorgeous.
glory.
Love her.
So we are getting ready to go into the cruise terminal. Make sure that you have all of your stuff, like your passports and everything like that, with you, so that it's not in your luggage, because you will never see it until you get back to your cabin.
And then you won't be able to get on the ship.
Yeah, so
you don't have a passport.
we're going to go into the cruise terminal, show you guys what it looks like in there. Let's go.
Let's go.
Real quick before we take you inside the cruise terminal, I'm going to show you what it looks like outside here at the Manhattan Cruise Terminal. You are going to be looking for Pier 90. If you're taking an Uber or a Lyft, if someone's just dropping you off, or a bus, whatever, they are going to drop you right here at the curb. It's going to be right outside where the ship is docked. So they are just going to come and collect your luggage right here at the curb. Super easy, and then they will direct you where to go inside from here.
Up the escalator to check in. Be careful when you're on the sidewalk though, because there's like things that go crazy, like little forklifts and stuff that are running around. These people are very fast.
They are. They move fast.
They make things go fast, and they don't really worry too much about what's in their way.
No. We're going to get
Bulldozed over, yeah, totally. So here we are getting up there. Hi, how are you?
Today?
Yeah.
Yep.
What's your sailing time?
Well, ours is 1:30.
Because we have to do extra.
Priority boarding.
All right, sure, yes. So
Okay.
we're gonna have to go around.
Okay, thank you.
After we got upstairs, we went through security first, and then they directed us to the check-in area. Since we have Deep Blue Extras and have priority boarding, they showed us straight to the check-in podiums where a crew member checked our passports and then gave us our wearable bands. They have a separate room for Rockstar and Mega Rockstar sailors here on the right. And then everyone else with the port arrival time will be directed to a line according to your time. And then over in this area, they do have a large space where you can sit and wait. If you do have priority boarding and have already checked in, this is where they will direct you to wait until boarding time. You can also purchase your bar tab here in the terminal if you didn't do it before your arrival.
Okay, cool thing about the security is we didn't have to empty our water bottles.
No.
And I have Starbucks in mine.
Gotta get the Starbucks.
I mean, come on. It's like it's going to be probably till Bermuda till I get some more. And
It'll be a whole 48 hours before you can get Starbucks.
And I'm a starvy junkie. So, I mean, I'd inject it into my veins if I could.
Probably should have an IV.
I should have an IV. I could do like a Starbucks bong, like a beer bong. Put that big old funnel thing up there and go, and just guzzle it down. So that's just a little hint. They're pretty easy with the security too, because
you just can't have anything in your pocket.
yeah, and we got beeped, and she let us go through because it was our watches.
Oh, is that what it was? Okay.
Because she looked at mine and saw my watch and said go.
Okay.
So the watch might set it off. If you want to not get beat, take everything off. Jewelry, clothes, go naked. You know, then they don't even have to wand you because it's like, where are you going to hide it, right?
There's places.
Unless you're a prisoner, you know,
places.
unless you've been there in those behind bar places, you know. Okay.
You know, if you got priority boarding, which we do, love it.
Yeah, they've been pretty good about directions on where to take you. So, there's a lot of people standing around asking you questions, showing you where to go.
Yeah,
so
and then the check-in was super easy, no waiting. And now we're in actually a pre-boarding area.
Yes.
So priority boarding area.
Yeah, so it took 5 minutes.
I don't even know if it took 5 minutes.
Yeah, we got here at 12:30.
12:35.
Yeah.
And now we're sitting down at 1 o'clock.
There's already a lot of people here already.
Yes.
So you know, you can come in and you just have to show them your boarding pass that you download, and then there's like 2 people that check your boarding pass.
Oh, well, there's more than that. Everybody is checking your boarding pass just to make sure you were prior to boarding.
So we're trying to like connect to the Wi-Fi.
Trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. We'll let you know. Okay, it really helps to have patience. I was able to get my phone on the Wi-Fi for the ship's Wi-Fi, and we got our stuff booked.
Yeah, and I'm sitting right next to him, and my phone was like struggling.
Yeah, it was on the struggle bus, but we got it. We got it. We got our Pink Agave reservation moved. Everything we wanted to do, we got done. So we're not even on the ship yet.
Miami, the Wi-Fi in this terminal is a little harder to like connect to, just because I don't know if there's a lot of people or if it's just the building or whatever.
Well, the ship's right behind us, so yeah.
So if you're in the terminal, try to sit like close to the ship. So maybe you have a better chance of getting a connection.
Yeah, either that or get up and walk around and walk closer to the
Right,
ship.
see if you can find a signal.
I had a better Wi-Fi signal over there, check-in.
Yeah, because a lot of my, like the shows that we were trying to book, like the dinner show and activities that are paid activities, it already said sold out, like on my phone. But he was able to book them.
Right.
So I don't know what was up with that.
It doesn't matter. We still got it booked.
But do it as soon as you can because they're gonna go quick.
It sells fast.
Yeah, really
everything,
fast.
because one of them was sold out. We didn't even.
I don't know what that was.
I don't either, but it was already sold out.
Something was already sold out, but
so
it's all good now.
But here's a good thing is if they sell out a lot of this stuff, they will add.
Yeah, like the grog walk. If you really want to do the grog walk and you only see one, they'll add more grog walk, especially the grog walk. I don't know about other activities.
Well, you know, the booze clues is kind of like the grog walk, only they're just a slightly different. But we'll find out. We'll tell you everything about it.
Yeah. So we booked as many things as we possibly could.
Yes.
And the things that we had to pay for ahead of time. Other things, you know, new shows and stuff that you don't have to pay for that you just line up early for. We'll try to get to those too and show you guys what they're all about because there's a lot of new things.
A lot of new stuff
offering on this ship.
Right.
So.
And so now we just sit here and wait. I don't think we can board for another like 30 minutes, but
probably.
I'm cool.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
The terminal's like filling up fast.
Yep.
So
anyway, we'll see you when we're on the ship.
Go time.